Your thermostat keeps things comfortable, whether you're heating things up or cooling down after a day on the road. The main thermostat is right by the couch. Press the mode button until the screen says either cool for AC or furnace for heat. Then just use the plus or minus buttons to set your temperature. Let's start with heat. When you choose furnace, the propane heater kicks in to warm the RV. It'll cycle on and off automatically to hold your set temperature. The furnace uses propane to create heat, but the fan and controls run from the house batteries. Overnight furnace use can significantly reduce the battery level, especially in colder weather. Before going to sleep, make sure the batteries are fully charged, keep the heat at a reasonable setting, and check the battery level again in the morning. And if the fan keeps running after the heat shuts off, that's totally normal. Now for cooling. Select Cool to run the front air conditioning unit. Just remember, the AC only works when you're plugged into shore power or the generator is running. It won't work on battery alone. RV AC units are designed to cool about 15 to 20 degrees below the outside temperature. So on really hot days, aim for comfortable, not freezing. If the unit's been running a while and stops blowing cold, it might have frozen up. Turn it off, let it defrost, and try again later. There's also a second thermostat in the bedroom. This one's just for the rear air conditioning unit. It works the same way, but only in cool mode. No heat function here. Once you've used it a few times, it becomes second nature and helps keep every part of the RV just how you like it.